Hello dear children. Today we are going to discuss a few questions from the chapter 11, and that is chapter 11a. I had asked you to complete chapter 11a. Now I hope you have completed it. Let us try this sum. This is the fifth sum. Okay. So we will just try this. Is the ratio of 6 gram and 15 gram same as the ratio of 36 centimeter and 90 centimeter? So in this chapter we have understood that a ratio, how do you get a ratio? We get the ratio by dividing one quantity by another quantity. So they are asking us whether the ratio of 6 gram and 15 gram. Okay. So what do you mean by this statement 6 gram and 15 gram ratio? That means 6 gram by 15 gram. So we are dividing 6 gram divided by 15 gram. Is it the same as the ratio of 36 centimeter and 90 centimeter? So this is a ratio of two lengths, isn't it? 36 centimeter, 90 centimeter. So we want to find out whether these are the same quantities. Okay. So what will we do? We will write 6 gram by 15 gram first, and let us see. So we know that this gets divided 6, this is divisible by 3, and 15 also is divisible by 3. So I'll just cancel. I'll cancel the gram and gram. Unit will be cancelled. Then 3 2s are 6, isn't it? And 3 5s are 15. We say the table and we cancel it. So what do you get? Answer as 2 by 5. Okay, so the answer is 2 by 5 here. Now let us see the next part. This is 36 by 90. 36 by 90, we know that this is also divisible by 3. So I'll just cancel. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So we get 12 here. Okay. And here 3 threes are 9 and 0. Okay. So I get 12 by 30. See, I get 12 by 30 here. Now again I will cancel it. So what do I get? I get 2 6 are 12 and 2 15 times. So I get 6 by 15 here. Okay. Now I can cancel this again. 6 and 15 are divisible by 3. So I will say 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So again what I get? I get 2 by 5 here. See? So this is also 2 by 5. Here also 2 by 5. So that means these ratios are equal. So I will say yes, these ratios are same. Let us come to the next question. Find the ratio between 3.5 meter, 475 centimeter and 2.8 meter. Now here we have three quantities, 3.5 meter, 475 centimeter and 2.8 meter. Now when you take the ratio, we have to remember that the quantities should have the same unit, isn't it? Then only we can find the ratio. So we will just see that all of them are in the same unit. So convert 3.5 meter into centimeter. How much you get? 350 centimeter. Convert 2.8 meter into centimeter and you get 280 centimeter. Okay. Now we will take the ratio. So ratio between now 350 centimeter, 475 centimeter and 280 centimeter. So all are in centimeters now. Okay. So 350, 475 and 2.8. So we have converted them into centimeters, 350, 475 and 280. Okay. So we will find the ratio. So we have to find the ratio 350 is to 475 is to 280. This is the ratio that we have to find. So when we have three numbers, what do? We either multiply or divide by a common number, isn't it? Same number we can divide or multiply. So here we know that these are all divisible by 5. So we want to make it simpler. So we will just divide everything by 5. Okay. So let us see, 350 divided by 5, 470 divided by 5 and 280 divided by 5. So I will just divide. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35 and this 0 will come here. Okay. Here 5 ones are 5. We know 5 nines are 45, 45, 46, 47. So 2 is left here. Okay. So here when 2 comes, it will become 25. So 5 fives are 25. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and then because this is 28 here, 3 is left, isn't it? 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28. So 3 is there. So here I will write 3. So this will become 30. Okay, so because of this 3, this becomes 30. So 5 6 are 30. So what do I get? 70, 95 and 56. So here this is 70, 95 and 56. Now if we think about this, we don't get any common uh, thing, isn't it? This gets divided by 5. This is divisible by 5, but this does not. If you see 2 or 3, just check. So you won't get any common factor. Okay. So that means uh, we will have to leave it as it is. So the answer is 70 is to 95 is to 56. Now one more question is there. Find the ratio between 5 dozen and 2 scores. Now again, whenever we write the ratio, they should be in the same unit. Here it is dozen and this is score. So you have to convert these into the same unit. Now what does 1 dozen means? 1 dozen means 12. When we group 12 together, we say it is 1 dozen, 12 items. Okay. And what is 1 score? 20 together makes 1 score. Okay, so we will convert this. If 1 dozen is 12, then what is 5 dozen? 5 dozen is 5 into 12, that is 60. And if 1 score is 20, then 2 scores will be 2 into 20, that is 40. So actually this is 5 dozen means what? 5 dozen means 60. 60 items. And 2 scores means what? It is 40. We understood that? So now we can just take the ratio of 60 is to 40. So what is the ratio of 60 is to 40? We will write 60 by 40 and this 0 and this 0 will cancel. So we get 6 by 4 and again we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So this becomes 3 by 2. Okay. Now what is the answer? The ratio is 3 is to 2. So this is the ratio and we get the answer. So I hope this is clear. Now we'll go on to the next exercise in our next class.